Hi friends, this is me Naresh Joshi, and in this video I am going to discuss different ways of creating objects in Java. So generally whenever we create an object we use the new keyword to create the object, but there are other ways to create objects as well. So there are total 5 specific ways to create objects in Java, and all the other ways which are there indirectly uses those 5 ways to create the objects. The first one is all of us will be aware of is the new keyword. So we use, like we say new and then the class name, which actually calls the constructor and creates an object for us. So the other ways to create object is calling the new instance method on the class instance. Like we say there is a class level instance for each class in the meta space of JVM, on which we can call the new instance method, which also gives us an object of the class. This new instance method indirectly calls the no argument constructor from our class. The other way is to use new instance method present in the constructor class. So constructor class is provided by reflection APIs. Like as you can see, the package name is java.lang.reflect, which also allows you to create the instance of any class. The new instance method in the constructor class can invoke the private constructor, no argument constructor, as well as the constructor with arguments as well. This is the most popular way used by other APIs like Spring to create instances, to create actually beans of our object. The other way is to use the clone method. So whenever like we create a clone of an object, we indirectly creating a new object. So the clone method also creates a new object of by copying the old object. And other way is first serializing the object and then deserializing the object. So while serializing, we are writing the object to a file. In our case, like we are writing our emp4 object to this data.obj file. And while deserializing, so we read the data.obj file and then create a new object. So as you can see, I have printed these objects at the end of the program, and also their hash code. So if I run this program, we can see like all the 5 objects are different objects. So like if emp2 and emp1 would have been only one object, then if when we have modified when we have modified the name instance variable of the object, then emp1 would have also got that modified name instance, and same for other objects as well. And also you can see, like you will see the employee constructor get called only 3 times. So like the first one, then using the new keyword and the new instance method of class, and the new instance method of constructor class uses the constructor to create the object, but the clone method and the deserialization mechanism do not use constructor to create the object. So I hope this was helpful to you. I have also written one blog on it, which you can read. I will mention the link of the blog and also the GitHub code link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.